In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Elementor in WordPress. If you're looking to elevate your website's design with a powerful tool, Elementor is your go-to solution as it provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface to create stunning and responsive web pages without writing a single line of code. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is essentially your website's control panel, where you manage your themes, plugins, and content. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side and find the Plugins tab, then click on it to open the Plugins page. This is where you'll find options to add new plugins that enhance the functionality of your WordPress site. Next, you'll see a button labeled Add New at the top of this Plugins page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Add Plugins screen. This is essentially a marketplace or directory for WordPress plugins, offering a vast array of tools and features you can incorporate into your website. Now, you'll notice a search bar on this page. Go ahead and type in Elementor Website Builder. It's key that you get the full name right to make sure you're installing the correct plugin. Once you hit Enter or click on the search button, look for the Elementor Website Builder plugin, which can be identified by its distinctive pink E logo. The description will state Free Website Builder for WordPress, which ensures you have the right plugin. Take a moment to double-check this, as it's important to ensure you're downloading the official version for compatibility and security. When you find it, you'll see there's an Install Now button on the plugin's card. Click this button, and WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin for you. Give it a few seconds to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, the Install Now button will change to a blue Activate button. Click on Activate to get the plugin running on your website. After activation, you'll notice a new option in your WordPress dashboard menu labeled Elementor. Additionally, on your Pages section, there will now be an Edit with Elementor button. This means Elementor is now fully integrated and ready to use on your WordPress site. From here, you can start building and customizing your pages with ease. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and activated Elementor on your WordPress site. With Elementor installed, you can start exploring its myriad of features and create beautiful, responsive designs with just a few clicks. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to check out their comprehensive documentation or reach out to their support team. Happy designing, and enjoy the creative process that Elementor brings to your WordPress experience.